Week 4, Annex 2, Regulation 6, Categorization and Listing of Noxious Liquid Substance and Other Substances. Deals with the categorization and classification of noxious liquid substance transported in bulk on ships. It outlines the criteria for classifying this substance into different categories such as category X, Y, or Z, based on their pollution potential and potential harm to the marine environment. The regulation also specifies the requirements for the construction and equipment of ships carrying these substances, including details on tank arrangement, piping systems, and protective measures to prevent or minimize the pollution in case of accidental spillage or leakage. Compliance with Regulation 6 is crucial for ensuring the safe and environmentally responsible transportation of noxious liquid substance by sea.